Welcome. I just wanted to make a quick video showing you how to sign up, install the Chrome extension, and import some invoices and orders from Build and Bless. So from this page, what we can do is go ahead and click sign up, demo2 at romy.com, put in a good password here, and now we're logged in. That's great. You'll notice that everything is 0, all the metrics are 0. That's because we haven't imported anything. There is a getting started guide that is linked to here at the top. If you have any questions about the starting guide or if it's confusing at all, please let me know and I'd be happy to update this. So there's a link to the Chrome extension right here in the getting started guide. We can click on that and that'll bring us over to the Chrome store. Here we go in the Chrome store. Okay, and what we want to do is click add to Chrome. It's going to tell us that it needs access to the domains that Build and Bless are on. So we're going to agree and say okay, sure, and you'll notice that a little heart appears in the top right here. That's telling us that the Romy Chrome extension has been installed. You'll notice that it's not pink right now. That's because we're not on a Build or Bless website. So anytime we visit any page, so Google, or if we go to Facebook or whatever, it's not going to turn pink until we're on either the Build or Bless site. So now you'll notice that now that we're on the My LuLaRoe site, this thing turns pink. That's because these are the only sites that work with the Chrome extension. Okay, so the Chrome extension has been installed, but there's two steps here. The first step is install the Chrome extension. The second step is to set the API key. Okay, and so we're going to go back over to this getting started page, and because we are logged in, we can see our API key here. So it says set your API key in the Chrome extension options. Here's your API key. So I'm going to copy that, but also I wanted to show you another place to find that. If you're not on that getting started page, your API key is also available from the settings. So if you go to your settings page, you'll notice the API key is available here also. Okay, so we want to copy that. I'm going to make a copy of that and then go to the Chrome extension here, and you can right click on it and go to options, and that brings us right to these options, and there's an input field here and it just says API key. We're going to paste in the API key and click save. Alright, now we have installed the latest version here. Right now it's a 1.12, and we are ready to go. So if we go ahead and log into, first we can log into Bless. You have to run the process for both Build and Bless, and so this is what the process looks like. You're going to click on the extension and it shows you this little process button. You click on process and now you'll start to see sort of the pages flash as it goes through and processes all of your orders and invoices. Okay, so it just finished processing Bless and it brought us back into the dashboard. The next step is that we want to process Build. So we can go over to log into Build. Okay, and once we're logged in, we can do the same thing. We'll go up here and click process. No different than the original or than the first, no different than Bless. You just go ahead and process, and we'll be back in just a minute. Okay, so far it has processed both Build and Bless. Tells you a few things about stuff that's been imported. You'll notice that when you first come back to the dashboard, you might have to refresh a couple of times, and as you may have noticed, the number here, inventory expense, changed. That's because the processing starts when you run the process on both Build and Bless. It starts kicking off the importing, but it doesn't finish necessarily by the time you get back to this page. So it's still running through and importing some inventory and some orders in the background. So know that it takes a couple of minutes for it to be fully up to date. Okay, so that's all I really wanted to cover in this first video. Please let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to email me directly, cj@romy.com, or you can always hit this contact us in the bottom right and let us know what you're thinking. As always, we're interested in any improvements or any feedback that you have. Yeah, so happy selling.